Okay, everybody, in today's video, we're gonna build a fireworks show. I chose the best game for 4th of July. Everybody, we're gonna do a stream soon also. So when is the 4th of July? Go to live and you'll see the live happening. This is gonna be our first ever live. So go. For a second. Crazy. Crazy. Someone has crazy fireworks. Someone has crazy fireworks. Wait, oh, I forgot. These were here. What are these here? Oh, really? That much? What is it even doing? I don't know. That's why we could burn on 2 of these. One cracker wheel. 4 basic ones. And one like this. A lot of these. And a lot of these. Oh, make sure to go watch the stream. I'll also put Spaceman in this video soon. Spaceman, do you want to put me in this video? Spaceman. What? Spaceman. Join me. Spaceman, join me. What is the word? Okay, this is... And the other player is 2 now. This player is 2 now. Why is nothing making money? Is it just stand there doing nothing? I think something with the settings is wrong. Something with the settings wrong? Am I the only one in the server? Hello? Yeah, I'm just gonna turn these on. Spaceman, do you want to join? Spaceman? Spaceman. Waiting. To go with me. These ones. Send in the video. I'm gonna have crazy fireworks. Also, are you in the game yet, Spaceman? Why am I saying finally! I can now start turning off the music. Oh, you can just do this. You just do this. Follow the tutorial. You can just click settings. But follow the tutorial first. You need to finish the tutorial to get that black screen off. Don't ask why I don't have the tutorial. Then you buy. Do not buy it. You can lose all your money. Okay. Once you've done that, press firework. Press firework. I'll go home. Okay, now go press fire. Okay. Okay, why is the tutorial doing this video? Just Spaceman. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Okay. If you check, I'm gonna do a live stream soon.
That was a buy. So I didn't buy the lot.
Did you collect the money?
I can't see your hands anymore.
No, just stand on it. Now I can buy one. No, go to firework. This. Not in stock. It's a few seconds. Okay, how? I don't know why I was staying here. Okay. Hey, this is mine. Say in the comments if you're waiting for the live stream. Is everybody gonna watch the live stream? You better. Okay. Live stream soon. We're gonna get a good live stream. And the thumbnail looks cool. Right? Just press play. Yeah, Okay, the tutorial's not good for you anymore. This is looking good, right? You can turn it on. We're gonna do fireworks in the stream. Let's just hope that it doesn't rain. Because there's a 60% chance that it rains, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna go to fireworks. 76,000? Do I buy one death rocket? This might be a crazy rocket. Why is it called the death rocket? That's a creepy name. Will you buy something for 70 something dollars? Would you take $6,000 if you got it for free? You're getting money when you go on the fireworks. This video is gonna be crazy soon. Why did you lead the game? I just saw you lead the game. Spaceman, what are you doing? Spaceman, what are you doing? We need you in the video. We're gonna be in almost every video, bro. You're gonna be in almost every video. You're gonna be in almost every video. You're gonna be in almost every video. You are 2 minutes. How long do I need to play? 1 hour? Block bundle, 100% of 100% of your 125% of your best firework best firework. What? Why do we keep repeating firework? Those are the little shop has. More soon. Golden Dawn. 50 plus firework only. Out of collect. Okay. Whoa. Why are you... Did you just leave the game? Yeah. Firework is doing good too. What does it need to be finished building? I don't know what it so we finished building and quickly it's fine for starting off for the over 73,000. Has no stock now. Nothing ever repeats. Let's see. How many does it make? 26,000. Already. Someone needs to make it to get money offline. Does not accept traits. How is this one? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Everything has in the world. I'm looking for a fire. What is it? He's so... He's so lucky. The video's gonna end soon. We get 100,000. The video ends till we get 100,000. Like and subscribe for a new video. Subscribe!